Hi, Peter Rohn, New York Fashion Times, and we're here with another set or group of sets from the Heat group at Heat Swimwear, and we have in line here.
Jade, Brooklyn, Tina, Ashley.
How you guys all doing?
Good.
Good, good. So I'm going to start with turns in the first piece down here at the end. Just a slow turn for us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. And these are also very economical at $40 wholesale, I believe, for all the patterns here for the set. And Instagrams, if you don't mind.
Dancer.jade,
Brooklyn Bills.
Tina Tings.
Ashleyrosesacks.
Thanks so much for joining us, guys, and have a fun rest of your swim week.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. You're watching New York Fashion Times.